Hey, horror fans, get ready for some spine-chilling news about IT Chapter 3. If you've been wondering about the return of Pennywise and Bill Skarsgård, we've got the latest scoop on what might be in store for the next chapter in this terrifying saga. According to recent reports, IT Chapter 3 is more likely than ever to happen. Fans of Stephen King's chilling tale have been clamoring for more, and it looks like their wishes might be coming true. While there's no official confirmation yet, the signs are pointing towards a new chapter. The success of the previous films and the continued interest in the IT franchise make it a strong candidate for a third installment. So, what about Pennywise? Bill Skarsgård's portrayal of the infamous clown has left a lasting impression on horror fans. Will he return to terrify us once more? While there's no official word yet, the demand for Skarsgård's iconic performance is strong. His involvement would undoubtedly bring the horror element we've come to expect. Fan theories are already buzzing with excitement. Could IT Chapter 3 explore new depths of Pennywise's origin story? Or perhaps it will introduce a new, even more terrifying chapter in the clown's legacy? With Skarsgård's return, we might get answers to lingering questions and new horrors to keep us up at night. Some fans speculate that the new chapter might dive deeper into the lore of the Losers Club and their battle with Pennywise. What new fears will be unleashed? Will we see more connections to Stephen King's other works? The possibilities are endless. So stay tuned for more updates on IT Chapter 3. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up with the latest horror news and rumors.